Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 7, the final day of Halloween week. I hope you guys have enjoyed this week of Halloween looks. It's definitely put me outside of my comfort zone, and I hope to only get better with time and just to keep growing and learning. But yeah, I had lots of fun doing this purplish, bluish mermaid look. My husband sprayed my hair blue for me. I've never had blue hair before, and I'm actually kind of living for it. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I did this look, then just keep watching. For today's eye look, we're going in with the Glam Light Ice Cream Dream palette. I'm picking up the shade Honey Lavender, and I'm just going to buff and press that all in the crease of my lid. I have some tape laid down, so I'm going to wing it out. Grabbing a smaller, more detailed brush and picking up the shade Mint Chocolate, we're just going to buff that into the edges. And the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and cut the crease and just blend that all up. I brought it a little bit higher than my crease normally is. And then after that was all blended out, I grabbed the shade Cotton Candy and just pat that all over the lid. Just blending everything together one more time, and then I picked up some lash glue and dot it along my crease where the purple shade is, and then I applied some blue gems on top of that. Grabbing my retro liner from Glam Vice, I have it in the shade Skate Date, and I'm just going to create a wing. I got this blue mascara off of Amazon. It didn't show up that great, but I'm popping that on my lower lashes. I will have everything that I'm using in this video linked in the description box, so you can check that out. And now I am going in with my fishnet stockings. I picked up my Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and I was going between 3 shades. I went between the purple gumdrop shade, the brain freeze shade, and the dark blue shade called Soaked. And I kind of just put them in my cheekbones, then my chin and my forehead, and just blended them together, trying to keep the darker shades on the edges. After I took it off, there were a few spots where you could see some indents in my skin, so I just went over it with some foundation to cover that up. Going in with more lash glue, I'm going to try and create some sort of pearl crown. So I have some pearl gems that I will be placing on my forehead. They're all in different sizes. I also went ahead and placed a few on my cheekbones. Now going in with some glitter. I did place glitter glue down before I put the glitter on top. I'm just putting this in random spots on my face. Now for the fun part. I bought some temporary blue hair dye and had my husband spray it in my hair for me. He didn't really know what he was doing, so it's kind of sparse in some areas, but it turned out okay, I think. And then our dog came in and he thought about spraying him, and thank goodness he didn't, because that would have been a nightmare. Now I am popping on some blue lipstick, and then I went in again with the blue shade that I put on my lid and topped that on top of my lips. So I picked up these starfish hair clips off Amazon. They smell absolutely disgusting. I wasn't sure if I wanted to go with one or two. I ended up just sticking with one of them. And here is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.